Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for being here. Here we are Miss Barbara Colombo, our President of UCIMU-SISTEMI per PRODURRE. We have a sort of press conference, a meeting for you, so thank you for being with us. Ms. Colombo will present some data about the sector and some data about the fair. So I leave the stage to Ms. Barbara Colombo, and at the end of this meeting we will have time for questions and so on, and all the data and the charts that you will see during the meeting you will receive after the meeting at your email box. Thank you.
Thank you, Claudia. Good morning. Welcome to Lamiera. Welcome to Milano. Before starting with the presentation that will give you the opportunity to check out some figures related to the metal forming sector, I would like first of all to thank ICE, the Italian trade agency, for the commitment devoted to the organization of Lamiera and the support they did. Before starting, we have a short video called Beat that was edited by the Italian trade agency that we would like to show. And it's a video that was edited to promote Italy and the mechanical sector. Thank you for this support. We can start with the presentation regarding figures, data, and some features of the Lamiera 2022. As you know, Italy has a very high specialization and expertise in this field, which is confirmed by numbers. I would like to start with the first slide, if it's possible. Okay, this is a slide showing the major manufacturing countries in 2021. Italy, it was at the second place, as you can see from this chart, after China. So this is it's a very good ranking in the worldwide manufacturing countries. In 2022, Italy increased production by 18% compared to the previous year, reaching a total value of 2.8 billion euro. It performed for sure better than China. In fact, China increased production year by year by 15% and Germany by 4%. Let's move to the second slide. Italy ranked third among exporting countries after Germany and China. As you can see, the values of exports are very similar between Germany, China, and Italy. Italy was also at the third place in the international consumption ranking, standing out as one of the most interesting markets worldwide after China and United States. For sure, China and United States have a completely different size and business opportunities compared with all the other nations, starting from the European ones. Italy is the country that performed better in 2021 compared to 2020. In fact, consumption, as you can see from this table, increased by 22.7% in 2021. Well, looking to the evolution of the whole sheet metal sector throughout the years, This slide, it's very interesting because it starts from 2007 and it gives you an idea of what happened within the Italian industry of metal forming machines and non-conventional technologies up to now. Looking to this slide, you can observe that the trend of Italian industry of sheet metal processing machines in relation to the main economic indicators in 2021 went very well. If you the first, for example, the first line, the red line regarding production, you can see that in 2021 the total production of the sector grew by 19% compared to 2020, up to 3.2 billion euro, and it returned to the level of 2018, that it was a record-breaking year for our industry. If we then move to the green line concerning consumption, we can see that the Italian demand of these technologies increased up to 2 billion euro approximately, and this increase of 25% compared to the previous year brought consumption well above the result that we reached in 2018. The last curve, the blue one, referring to the exports, highlights a less brilliant trend. In 2021, exports attained the value of 1.6 billion euro, let's say 15% approximately more than 2020, recovering all the ground lost during the pandemic, but still it's remaining below the record achieved in 2018. When we talk about non-conventional technologies, we are referring to laser, water jets, and those additional technologies. The major markets of destination in 2021 were Germany, United States, Poland, France, and Turkey. For the next future, we will have to work a lot, primarily focus on Europe and United States, that are markets where it will reasonably be easier to improve and operate. And in this connection, the Italian Trade Agency will be of great help for Italy supporting the promotion of our industry. We have prepared a few slides with some additional information on Lamiera 2022. In the two halls number 13 and 15, that counts more than approximately 40,000 square meters, you will find more than 350 companies coming from 25 countries that are exhibiting their new products. Well, just a few examples of the machines that you will find exhibited during the Lamiera. Machines, systems and equipment for the machining of sheet metal, tubes, sections, wired and metal structural work, presses, dies, welding, treatments and finishing, technological subcontracting are just a few of the traditional technologies on show. Besides the new products that you can see showed on the stands, on the booth, you will find also a few additional innovation areas that are dedicated to some specific topic. For example, Fabbrica Futura is dedicated to software and technologies for connectivity and data management that is becoming more and more important in our field. Fastener industry is another area focused on screws, bolts, fastening and clamping systems. Eco-Coatec is intended for sheet metal coating and painting processes. Blech Italy Services is an area reserved for technical subcontracting and services for the industry. And Saldatec is another surface with a special focus on welding fields. In this area that is called Arena, and we gave the name LAMIALAMIERA, you will find during the days of the trade show a full program including over 13 meetings arranged by the organizers and by the exhibitors, which will have the possibility to talk about technical issues of interest for all the operators of the sectors. Well, ICE and UCIMU, as usual, are working on special initiatives in order to create a contact between the demand and supply within the sector. As you know, during these days, together we did a great job, together with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and of International Cooperation, in order to invite to Lamiera 2022 more than 30 qualified operators and journalists coming from Brazil, France, India, Poland, Romania, Turkey, and United States. 1 week before the beginning of the trade show, we had already counted 300 meetings that were scheduled between the visitors coming from abroad and the Italian exhibiting companies. They gave also a great support in organizing an area that is dedicated to startups that are exhibiting during the days of the Lamiera. Thank you very much for taking part to this meeting. If you have any question or additional information you would like to receive, do not hesitate to contact me or raise your hand and talk.
Vado io. Ah no, ce l'ha. Allora, adesso vediamo se non
Hello.
presenta.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. I am from India, from Divya Media Publication Private Limited, Machine Tool World Magazine.
Yes.
My question is, Indian automobile industry is gone and dominated by Korean and Japanese. So why Italian players are not able to connect when price are same?
The question is about the activity of Italian companies, machine tool builders, Italian machine tool builders in India. Which kind of activity, which kind of business we are realizing in this moment?
Yes. In India, we are focusing, we have many initiatives going on. One of these big initiatives started 10 years ago. We will come to India in the month of November, because we founded an Italian network of companies, more than 10 companies working together in India, in order to promote and promote and sell and give support to Indian companies that wants to buy Italian products. So during the last 2.5 years, we had problem with the COVID, but we decided to come back to India in November, celebrating these 10 years of the ETC, that is the Italian network for India. And we will start also with some exhibition trade show that are already planned in June in India, the IMTEX. We will have a big booth with all the Italian companies represented there. And in November, when we will come over, you're more than welcome to join us if you want. We can go into detail and within all the activities that we are planning for 2023.
We are already there. We are official media partner of that event, IMTEX.
Are you going to visit IMTEX?
No, we are official media partner
good,
of.
very good. If for sure you will visit the trade show, there is a booth dedicated to ITC India. Please. Questo parlerà bene o? Okay.
Hello, my name is Laurențiu Mihail. I'm from Romania. I'm representing here TNT magazine for Techniques and Technologies. And as question, I'd like to know because for several years, and it still is, I mean, Italia is the main commercial partner of Romania. I don't know if you know that, for various kind of products. And I'm asking myself if the UCIMU associates are interested or still interested to attend, for example, business meetings in Romania and international affairs meetings in Romania.
Well, we know very well Romania is a big partner of Italy, and for sure we will organize some special visit also with ICE, the Italian trade agency. We can organize some specific event, and during the last 2 years, you know, mobility was very difficult for everybody, so we will start thinking about something for 2023 for sure. And we are very close, so it's even much easier to plan and organize. In Romania, UCIMU founded a foundry in, I don't know the name of the place where we found it. Okay. And is giving very good results, and it's a good support for the Italian manufacturers in order to have the, you know, the all what we need to create a machine. So it's working very well. We have a long-lasting relationship with this company called Saturn. No more question? Little question?
So, thank you very much for being here, and for any other question, please send us an email, please contact us to the press room, and we are at your disposal for any clarification. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ms. Colombo.
Thank you.